Earth circuits the Sun on its slightly elliptical orbit every 365 days, and because of its elliptical orbit, Earth is once in a year closest to the Sun and once it is farthermost. But that is not the cause of the seasons. If the seasons are due to the distance from Earth to Sun, one would expect it to be summer or winter on the whole Earth once in a year. In reality, summer and winter occur at the same time in an alternating pattern. When it is summer on the northern hemisphere, it is winter on the southern hemisphere, and vice versa. Earth's axis, the axis which Earth rotates around, is tilted relatively to Earth's orbit around the Sun by 23.4 degrees. Within 1 year, the southern hemisphere once points to the Sun, while the northern hemisphere points away from it, and vice versa. When one hemisphere points to the Sun, the other one points away from it, and therefore the hemisphere pointing towards the Sun has longer days than nights. The hemisphere pointing away from the Sun has longer nights than days. This pattern alternates every half year with spring and autumn in between, when Earth is positioned in such a way that neither of the two hemispheres point towards or away from the Sun. This is the time of the year when the length of the day more or less equals the length of the night everywhere on Earth. The solar radiation, and therefore the sum of the energy that hits a hemisphere, is different in winter and summer periods. The hemisphere which has winter is getting far less energy from the Sun than the hemisphere which has summer.